Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic structure of the earth and the earthquake. The earth is nearly spherical in shape. The surface of the earth is not smooth. The interior of the earth consists of the three different layers: earth crust, mantle, core. Earth crust. The crust is the outermost layer where we live. The thickness is around 0 to 60 km. It's a solid rock layer. Mantle is the widest section of the earth. Its thickness is approximately 2900 km. The mantle is mainly made up of semi-molten rock known as magma. Outer core. The outer core of the earth is similar to a very hot ball of metals, whose temperature is around 4000 degree Fahrenheit to 9000 degree Fahrenheit. It is so hot that the metals inside are all in the liquid state. It is composed of metals such as iron and nickel. The outer core surrounds the inner core. Inner core. It is the center and hottest layer of the earth. The inner core is solid and made up of iron and nickel with temperature up to 5500 degrees Celsius. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth crust which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. The energy stored with the earth's deeper layer over a long period of time is suddenly released, usually in the form of strain in rocks, resulting in the earthquakes. Causes of earthquake. Volcanic eruptions. Volcano is a hole in the earth crust through which the molten rocks and hot gases under high pressure rushes out. The energy released during volcanic eruption cause vibration in the crust. These variations cause earthquake in the area around. Second is underground nuclear explosion. Underground nuclear explosions causes very powerful vibrations. These vibrations cause earthquake in the area around the nuclear explosion sites. Third one is movement of tectonic plates. The surface of the earth is not one continuous piece, but it is broken into many large pieces called tectonic plates. The lithosphere is believed to consist of plates which floats over the molten magma in the crust, in the mantle. Dislocation of the crust. Over millions of years, the movement of the tectonic plates have created weak points in the earth crust called faults. Most faults occur along the boundaries of the tectonic plates, and these are the zones where earthquakes occur. Now some important definition terms. Seismic waves, it is also called shock waves. The waves generated inside the earth's surface due to earthquake are called seismic waves. Seismic focus. The point from where the shock waves of earthquake originate due to sudden movement of rocks is called seismic focus. Third one is epicenter. The point on the surface of the earth vertically above the seismic focus is called an epicenter. Seismograph. The instrument which detects and records the intensity of seismic waves generated by an earthquake is called seismograph. The graphical record of intensity of seismic waves is called seismogram. Now, Richter scale. Richter scale was developed by Charles F. Richter. The magnitude of an earthquake is a measure of amplitude of the seismic waves. This scale gives a measure of the energy released at the earthquake's focus. The range of the Richter scale is from 0 to 10. Thank you.